news everywhere.
Tougher new public health restrictions come into effect at the same time as vaccine passports in Alberta. Confused? So are some members of Edmonton's business community.
Extremely confusing and convoluted way to implement what is essentially a vaccine passport program like many other provinces have.
Punita McBrien with Edmonton's Downtown Business Association tells me despite the confusion, a vaccine passport is what a lot of business owners have been needing for the last several weeks. The one thing that kept her up last night, she says, is the mandatory work from home order, something that has devastated downtown offices and the businesses that depend on those workers.
And so that's something that we're going to have to work on and get some answers on, is whether employers can be exempted from the mandatory work from home order if they know that all their team members are vaccinated.
On the hospitality side, Jim Skagos runs Deluxe Burger Bar. He opened the restaurant in the summer of 2020 and says he only survived because of the support of the community, his landlord, and his staff. Now he says he's trying to protect them.
I don't have myself to worry about. Oh, I have staff to worry about too. Right? Yeah. I mean, a lot of my cooks and stuff like that, they have 3 and 4 kids to support.
Skagos tells me that he welcomes the vaccine card system to keep staff and patrons safe, adding these new public health restrictions impact his business not only literally, but by also creating uncertainty and fear among patrons.
People think, well, just because you're not actually locked down, that it doesn't affect your business. But it really does. I mean, it's just it's the fear out there that ICU is almost 100% full now.
I don't think clarity was a strong point yesterday in the announcement.
Jimmy Shuchuk, an Edmonton restaurateur and caterer, also trying to navigate the confusion of rapidly changing public health restrictions. He has clients that have had to move and postpone their weddings multiple times. And on the restaurant side of things, enforcement of the new vaccine passport system is on mind.
I think we're at a little bit of a breaking point where people, operators tried to be very accommodating in the past and be very reasonable with people. I think those conversations are going to become a lot more short.
Adding that after a year of the pandemic, those in the hospitality industry roll with the punches.
Hospitality is going to do what hospitality has done the whole time, and even pre-pandemic is keep our patrons safe. So that's going to be the go forward for the industry.
In Edmonton, Darcy Ropchan, City News.